Me nah go in depth and comb through everything and say everything we know that it's set on a regular review. Me never did the show. I mean, I really watch the show. Just bits and pieces. Me see when people voice note on WhatsApp. Hold on, let me check it and hear what you say first. Hold on. Good question, Gaga. Alright. Me go now a little analysis from the outside, right? One, I am a person who have to be true to myself. Okay? Me have to be honest. What happened last night and night before last night is great for the culture. Big thing for dancehall culture. Big thing for Jamaica. Now, we have to appreciate the confidence where Kartel and him team having of themselves. See? We have to appreciate the newfound confidence where we fans them. The people them were like dancehall. The new drive here, the new confidence here where them having at the product. See? Remember, you know, and not just the artists do it, you know. The fans them have to get respect to come out and pay the money for the product. Back in the days, the fans them never have the ultimate confidence here to come out and show where it's only a dancehall artist or a Jamaican artist step on. Usually, it would have a full rapper advertised. We not talk about who just pop up and come sing a song already. Usually, it would have to advertise with some big rapper, some big international acts. This now is a new wave. We are going for Jamaican music and Jamaican culture, and we have to appreciate and respect that. So that are the first thing more I highlight. What happened night before last night and last night is humongous for the culture. See? It's also following on the inception of this type of behavior by Buju. Me see some people that say, take Buju out of it. We have to be realistic. You cannot take Buju out of it. Me even see someone that say, Buju a reggae artist. Buju is not a reggae artist. Buju is a reggae artist and a dancehall artist. And he may even dancehall artist before him a reggae artist. You understand? So, me no want compare, and at this point, me no want compare, and me no want, oh, this, that, and cut the neck and cut the neck. Buju started, Kartel keep it up. It's amazing. It's amazing. I don't want nobody a short change Buju, then I act like a Kartel alone do it. No, a the culture do it. And then we have to remember, cause remember, you know, Uno asked me for talk, you know. So me I got talk, you know. Zine, me I got talk. Big up Bagger British. Uno asked me for talk, so I'm going to talk. And I'm not going to talk, cause me not kiss ass, me not kiss nobody ass, and me not look no favoritism. Me have my own bad man, my own boss, my own general, me do my own thing. Zine? What we must remember, while we are compare everybody, this is greatness, you know. Buju do it, greatness. Kartel do it, greatness. But we have to address the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room is this reality where we have to take into consideration. Buju Banton did 10 years in prison. Vybz Kartel did 13 years in prison. That empty void for these two giants create one big awareness and one big hunger to see them. I'm not Kartel, but I say see them. Remember that good enough. So this prison time and this exit from visibility and from us going to shows to see them create, you call it supply and demand. So this demand, Zin, is a hunger to see them. Great enough. But me still not satisfied with the culture yet. Me want the culture to be able to do this without nobody going to prison. Understand what me saying now? We can't go set the tone now. For say, the only time we can full Barclays back to back, or full UBS Arena back to back, or when an artist go to prison and come back. Me not like the narrative there. Me not like the narrative there. Me not want it be our portfolio, our go-to for ram venues. Or when Ninja Man come out, he might get a visa and come and then ram back Barclays. No. We want it to happen every night. We need the culture to support the music in our way where artists can do a road and live free life and nice life and still run Barclays. So people just a reason and now look on the reality. Going to prison in order for run big venue is not a flex, you know. It's not something good, you know. We appreciate what Buju and Kartel able to do. But me wish if it did do without them I got prison. You understand me I say? Bro, listen to what me I say. We have to face reality now, brother. That's something they were going with Buju, the stadium show there, and the Kartel stadium show there. It never happened before prison, you know. We have to be real. Let's be honest. Let's take the ego out of it and take who we prefer, who we like. We're not compete now with who bigger or who not. We have say we have to be realistic. It wouldn't happen. So we don't want to set a standard where somebody have to go to prison if you can keep a concert in a stadium and it ram, or somebody have to go to prison and come back to we keep a show in a Barclays Center and it ram. Me not depend that. Me not like that. Me not like that. So we give thanks for Buju and Vybz Kartel for break the barrier there and create that something you know, Zine. But we don't want it to be a pattern we set for our culture. Somebody says, so why not a free artist them not do it? That's exactly what I'm saying. I am saying we need to make sure the pattern set where free artists can do it too, and that depends upon the fans. That depends upon the fans. I know the artists them fault that, you know, are we the fans, the lovers of the music. You understand what I say? Are we have to make sure say when we artists them have show in them big arena, yeah, we go. We not fi want run back at them when them come from prison. We not fi want see them go prison, then we miss them for them come back. We feel love the music and give them that strength upon a regular basis. Me not see Burna Boy them have to go to prison or David or Jay-Z them not have to go to prison for them in there. You understand what I say? You see me just say we love it, you know, a history, but who else do it when I go to prison? Make we say it now, man. Wish other Jamaican artists do it by themselves, cause what they UBS did nice with Berries and Shaggy and Sean Paul, three giant, but this are Buju alone and this are Kartel alone. You have supporting acts, local people who come on, but I really Kartel sell him show and I really Buju sell him show.